So good day everyone. So today I'm gonna show you my landing page of my website. So as you can see here, we have an image and a text about my website. So as you can see here, we have the Fruities and the text about describing what our website is all about. So as you can see here, we have a text that color blue, explore flavors and buy now. So the explore flavors is about the features. So if I click, so it will go to the features. So we have the three features of my website. So we have here the real fruit goodness and crisp refreshing. So it's also have hovering. Part is the buy now. So if you click the buy now, it will go to our different flavors of our fruities. So we have the lime flavor, cherry flavor, and the tropical flavor. Also we put our different images in a different container. And the next part is our the testimonials of our customers. So here you can see that the what our customer says, so you can see our comment there. The next part is the footer. We have an icon of the different social medias and our contact information. So let's go to the coding. So as you can see here, we declare our file doc type HTML so that the browser can tell that this is an HTML file. And also we have the HTML, and we declared the language as English. And also the next structure of the HTML is the head, and the head contains the meta charset, so the default of the HTML, and also the meta name viewport, so that is so that the HTML or the website can be adapt in many devices. So also we have the title. So our title of our website is the Fruities, and next one is the link. So we connect our main file to the other file, so the style CSS, and also we connect other file, so the different font we're using. So the next one is the body. So the body is basically the next structure of our HTML. So in the body is basically the where we design our content of our website. So here we have a header. Basically the header, it displays the top section of your website. So in my header we put my I have a div class, so hero content, and then h1 tag the Fruities, so implying that it is the important. Also in the top section of our website we can also see the tagline of our website and also the description, and also we can see the buttons that we can interact with, the features, and the different flavors of our website. So the next part of our code is the main section. So in the main section we separate the two code in a section. So we have a section for the features and a section for the buy or the different flavors. So in the features we have a div class naming feature grid. It contains the different feature of our website. So we have it also contains the different icons of the features. So the next one is the next section is the buy now with a unique identifier buy now, so that we can easily link to the different flavors. So in the buy now section we have a div class with a gallery so that we can put our images. So we put our images, we use the tag image and the source of our images. So the next part is the testimonial section. So it's basically where we can see the what our customers comments about our website. So in our code we have two example, so si Do and si John. So the last part of our website is the footer. So in the footer it's basically where we put our different social medias and contact information. So we also use an anchor tag to connect to our different social medias. So let's go to the CSS file of our website. So we'll basically design our or style our website. So the first part is basically removes the default spacing from all elements. Next one is the body, sets the default font style and the line spacing and the text color for a cleaner look. For the root block of code, so it basically use a variable to make the code reusable. So the primary color, the secondary, and the accent, and the dark and light. So it makes the code reusable. As you can see in the H tag, it uses the font family Georgia and the color variable dark text. So the next important part is the button section. So we make our, so in that block of code we create a rounded button. So and also we make our letters bold and all upper cases. So when we hover on that button, we also animate so to change color. Next part is the hero section. So in the hero section we link our website with an image to cover the background and also make the center text both horizontally and vertically and set the text minimum height half of the screen. So let's go to the media design. So it basically highlights the importance of all our websites. So let's start with the media query with the max width 768 pixels. So this block of code targets that screens are 768 pixels, so wide or less. So this typically refers to the tablets and it reduces the font sizes of the H tag. And also the text elements of the hero content to ensure they fit on the smaller screens. Lastly, we have a media with a max width of 480 pixels. So this block of code applies styles specifically for screens with a 480 pixels, so wide or less. So it typically refers to a smartphone or your mobile phones. It also reduces the font sizes of the H1 tag to maintain the proper text scaling on a small display. And also the hero section and the other section elements are also decreased on the side to maximize the available screen space and minimizing the unnecessary space. So that would be all. Thank you.